slowly warm up a little bit each day, but not quite to the 90s and that high humidity like we saw the past couple weeks. But as we get that live look outside, just another beautiful evening. Temperatures, though, have been steadily dropping, about 72 here in Indianapolis. A few spots at this point have dropped into the 60s, where we were still below average today, maxing out just about 81, so still a few degrees below our normal of 85. This marks 4 days in a row, and even possibly another day or two where we could see those temperatures below average, especially temperatures this morning. Maxed out, dropped to just about 58 degrees this morning here in Indy. Spots up towards Muncie actually dropped into the upper 40s, allowing things to feel very, very chilly this morning and even the next couple mornings as well. I expect things to be a little bit cooler as well. But at least temperatures where we were compared to yesterday evening, notice most spots somewhere between 1 and 5 degrees warmer. Muncie, I would say the oddball out here, where it's a few degrees cooler right now than where we were yesterday evening. But I expect to see this be a trend that we'll see continue over the next couple of days, and that sinks to high pressure pretty much over the desert southwest. But watch what happens the next couple hours, though. So really through 8 p.m. tomorrow, we start to watch just a little bit of a trough. We can see from Dallas to here in Indianapolis, up through Toronto. When I mention trough, that's just where we're seeing air come together, and it's likely going to rise. So you get this with cold fronts. You get this when you get these big high pressures off in the distance. So it's going to allow for a couple rain chances the next couple of days, but then we're going to see that trough start to scoot off to the east, and that high pressure really settle in right across New Mexico and the Texas border. So this is going to allow our temperatures to start to rise up. It's going to allow just a few rain chances tomorrow through Wednesday. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, they're going to be relatively low chances, and even Wednesday, I do expect seeing more spots stay sunny and stay rain-free. And even as we finish the week, notice Thursday, Friday into the weekend, where we should see plenty of sunshine, just those warmer temperatures. But at least for now, just about 72 here in Indianapolis. At this point, we're about split 50-50 between the 60s and the 70s. Cool spot is 62 in the Muncie, but still as warm as 74 down to Bloomington. But our dew points, a little bit warmer than where we have been the past couple of days. Most points where we were yesterday were in the 50s. Now dew points basically into the 60s. So just expect things to start to become a little bit more sticky, but at least comfortable this evening, where most of us generally should drop into the 60s overnight tonight. Tomorrow, though, we're back into the 80s, especially further north. Notice spots further south, so like Terre Haute, Bloomington, Columbus, where we'll be in the upper 70s. That's going to be thanks to some rain showers that move through, especially south and west. So notice 8 a.m., just a few isolated showers. Better chance for storms, again, west and south. So even notice by lunchtime, we'll start to see that coverage increase a little bit, especially if we can get extra pockets of sunshine. That could allow for a few more storms to develop as well. But even by dinner time, we'll start to see that coverage increase, especially as we head into the overnight hours into Tuesday as well. Wednesday, more so dry, but then we're back to sunshine as we head into the weekend. But notice those temperatures getting back into the 80s, feeling hot and sticky as we finish out the week and head into next weekend.